Pre-16 dedication to Justine, my niece. Just. Wait, hold on. A who turned 16 today? Rumor have it say a Maxine and Linton big daughter were just born the other day. You mean little Justine were just born the other day? Tap your lad if you're not busy. It seemed like say just yesterday the little girl did a weird diaper and run on the place like say her king catch a fire. One thing me know, from the day she born she was a fashionista. How could we forget her in the little white hat on christening day, the yellow outfit she wore to Kavita wedding, the cute little pink top with the short jean skirt, and the leather jacket with the grey dress and long boots. But wait, not think it up there so. You never hear what happened when she did graduate from St. Ursula Catholic School. Oh, you mean you never hear? The long night dress what she wear with the tapa hairstyle cause traffic jam on Boviard. Me hear say the principal had to roll out red carpet cause they never experienced such a thing before. It even went viral and reached way down a Pedro River where Mama was born and up a Yellas where Papa come from. And from when you understand, when things go viral, everybody all over the world can see it. Me hear say she bad pan the hairstyling thing, you know. Whether you want weave, braid, twist, shiny bump, she can make it happen. The little girl make experience hairdresser look like them not try. Well, me no surprise. From what me can remember, she always a play around in a people head, you know. Not to mention her granny Gloria head. The other day, me say she do her friend Selena here. Mrs. All me can say, it's a laugh. In a Fidem language, them would have said it lit. And on top of all this, she have a creative side to her. When you see she make video and upload them to YouTube, the internet go on hold till then the video upload. The other day, me see AJ a bug her fi make video, and lad, missus, you see when she don't make that the video then? It look like say some big professional did do it. Me say the pick me creative till she can't done. And you think it up there so? How could we forget? The little picnic can sing like a no tomorrow. But somehow we don't know can have a little shy side to him. Watch out Beyonce. Some stiff competition is coming your way soon. Justine, Francis, Miller, happy birthday my girl. Bless up yourself. Love you like a right rice and fried chicken. Bless up just from your Auntie Adria. Enough blessings and love.